Hey everybody, it's Teresa. Welcome to my channel. I have the August 2026 dollar bead box and dollar bead bag to open up with you all today. I know this is very late, but my life has been a bit hectic for the last week and a half or so. I talked about it on my last video, so I won't bore you all with it, but my husband has been in the hospital and he's actually back in the hospital tonight, but I think it's probably just for the night. I think he's on the mend, hopefully. I have a coupon code for the dollar bead box. It's THJ2, and I'll put it on the screen here and in the description box below, along with a link to the page to sign up for the subscription if you're interested. The coupon will save you $2 off your first box if you sign up, or $2 off of an order from their online store. But in order to be able to have access to their online store, you have to be a member of the Dollar Bead Club. If you're a subscriber to the box, you're automatically a member of the Dollar Bead Club, or you can buy an annual membership. It's $35 a year, and that would give you access to their store, but you wouldn't get the box or the bag. So I'm going to open it up here and take a little peek. Dollar bead bag's always on top. You get 4 strands of 3mm fire polished beads and 4 strands of 4mm fire polished beads. And they're always just, oh my goodness, incredibly beautiful. Looks like one of them's in a baggie there. It must have come loose from its strand. Those are just really, really beautiful. And this is the paper that has everything that's in the box. This month's box arrives in calming shades of sky blue, aqua, and sandy browns. These cool coastal tones and earthy neutrals come together to capture the peaceful rhythm of late summer. Think sun-warmed shores, clear ocean skies, and carefree days, complete with a few tiny creatures to complete the scene. And then on the back it has everything that's in the box. And then take a little peek. And there's it's in the box. So hold on, I'll sort everything out. I'll be back. Okay, I've got everything sorted out now, and I'm going to start with the dollar bead bag and the 3mm fire polished beads. And as usual, I'm guessing at these colors. It says opaque medium blue or matte cobalt. I think this would be the opaque medium blue. It doesn't look matte to me. These are just really, really pretty. And then next is matte red copper. It's really, really pretty. And then next is turquoise silver travertine or robin's egg blue vitriol. I believe this would be the turquoise silver travertine, I think, because I think it has that travertine finish on it there. It's really pretty. And then last in the 3mm strands is crystal copper lined. Really pretty. And then in the 4mm strands, I think this would be the blue opal. It says opal or opaque sky blue or blue opal. I think this would probably be the blue opal, but I could be wrong. I don't know. It's really, really, really pretty. And then matte cobalt or dark cobalt. I believe this is dark cobalt. It's not matte. It's beautiful. And then this is the one that was a little baggy. I think this is medium blue. It's either matte crystal vitriol blue or medium blue. So I believe this is medium blue. And then last in the 4mm strands, I believe this would be the matte dark cyan. It's either aqua blue zircon or matte dark cyan. I think that's what this is. But I could have these all totally mixed up. But it's just beautiful. And then in the dollar bead box, the first strand is 20 pieces, 4 by 16mm check glass thorn beads, and the color is aqua pearl luster. Those are really pretty. And then next are 30 check glass pinch beads. The color is crystal rainbow iris. It's really pretty. Pinch beads have 3 sides. And then next are 42 pieces, 2mm check glass pearl beads, navy blue. And then next is 20 pieces, check glass fire polished beads. They're 6mm and the color is sapphire copper lined. It's really pretty. And then next is 50 pieces, check glass fire polished beads, 4mm. The color is blue marble half copper. Those are just really, really pretty. And then last in the strands are some 4mm check glass pearl beads. There's 40 of these, and they're either peach or coral luster. I guess these are peach. I don't know. They're just really, really beautiful. And that's everything in the strands. In the additional items, these are 4 8 by 12mm check glass faceted bicone beads. The color is blue. They're really pretty. I think I said they're 8 by 12mm. And then next is a check glass table cut dragonfly. It's 17mm and the color is beige with turquoise wash. Pretty little dragonfly. And then next are 2 check glass button beads. They're 14mm and the color is blue 2 AB times. So that's just right down my alley. Twice as shiny. It's really, really beautiful. And then next is, I'm trying to be careful and not spill these everywhere and knock them off my table. This is a 10 to 12 millimeter round Baroque pearl, and the color is white. I don't think I can get my pen in this little hole. Okay, there it goes. Sometimes the holes in these pearls are so small you can only get a needle through them. That's really, really pretty. And then next are 10 5mm check glass melon beads. The color, it says either blue, green, aqua, or sapphire. I would guess this would be the sapphire. It's really, really pretty. And then next are two 10 by 12 millimeter check glass twisted oval beads, sapphire, opal, and crystal. These are really, really pretty. And then next are two check glass sugar skulls. They're 17 by 20 millimeters, and the color is brown travertine with turquoise wash. They're really pretty. All the rest of these pieces close enough to me that I can reach them. Okay, next are 6 pieces, 5 by 7 millimeter Chinese crystal star cut rectangle beads. It says Royal AB or blue gold vitriol. These closer up here and see if I can figure out which they are. Blue gold vitriol or Royal AB. I guess they're Royal AB. Really, really pretty. And then next is an 8 millimeter Swarovski crystal cube bead. It says air blue opal or crystal bronze shadow. I think this is probably the crystal bronze shadow. It's really beautiful. And then next is a check glass bumblebee. It's 17 by 22 millimeters, and it's turquoise with copper wash. It's a really pretty little bumblebee. And then next are 6 pieces check glass curved cube beads. They're 8 millimeters. The color is crystal white opal. And those are just really, really pretty. And then last are two check glass butterflies. They're 12 by 14 millimeters. The color is navy with silver wash. Looks like the hole is not, I don't think the hole is all the way drilled through in that one. There we go. It's really, really pretty. And that's everything. So hold on, I'll get everything together in one picture and I'll be back. Okay, there's everything that came in the August 2026 dollar bead box and dollar bead bag. Just really, really beautiful beads. Like I said, if you're not subscribed to the dollar bead box and you decide you want to be, that coupon code will save you $2 off your first box if you sign up. I hope you all have enjoyed this video. As always, thank you so much for joining me today. I really appreciate those of you who have subscribed to my channel and watched my videos and liked and commented on my videos. I have a website where I sell my jewelry and some grab bags of extra beads that I have. It's Teresa's Handmade Jewelry, and I'll put a link to it in the description box below in case you're interested. If you haven't, I'd really love it if you'd subscribe and hit the notification bell so you're notified when I upload a new video. So until next time, I hope y'all have a great day. Take care.